Microsoft Word has powerful calculating functions. Now, let's check here. We can be able to do calculation: total, average, if, mode, product. So, stop using Excel. You can still do it on Microsoft Word. And here, let me show you how powerful Microsoft Word is. Now, I want us to find the average, total, count, and so many other functions. But now, let's do total here. Now you move to data, click on that, now click on formula. So on formula here, we already have sum above. So sum above, it means you are going to add the figures that are above. So that when we get the total. Let me do the second one. You still have to do sum above because we are adding up figures that are above. That's how simple you can do it. Let's see how we can calculate average. You still have to do the same, but now you'll go to paste function. Let me clear some. Paste function, we have average, count, if. Now we paste average. Now in the bracket we have to type left because the values that we are looking for, we are doing average are on the left side. That's how you get your average. Formula, you clear sum, you paste average function, then in bracket you type left because the values that you are finding average are on the left side. Now you can still do counting using Microsoft Word. Let me clear total here and replace with the count function. Now we want to count the number of figures for Kenya. I still have to go to data, formula, then I will clear out this sum, then I will paste count function, then in the bracket the values are above, then in bracket I'll type above, then I'll have to get the count or the values that are above. So Microsoft Word is very powerful, still having functions that can help you to do various calculations. Do not only depend on Excel. You should now know Microsoft Word is also powerful. So this is how you can do product, you can do everything.